I just got a notification that my packages are here. I ordered some weird phone accessories online that I have been waiting for legit weeks. I actually didn't even know this video was gonna happen anymore because it was taking too long. But I got the notification and they are here right now. So I'm so excited to open them up. Maybe I'll love some of them, maybe some of them I won't. Comment down below which one is your favorite using the hashtag weird, because you might win one of these products. I'll be giving them away. All right, I'm gonna go get my packages, get ready, and we'll open them up. Let's go get my packages. I'm in my LA workspace today, so if you hear any loud noises in the back, like a freaking ambulance or sirens, whatever, it is so freaking loud. I cannot film a full video here without having to stop every 2 minutes because it's so loud, and I was like, you know what, I'm over it. It's okay. So let's do a quick little giveaway. If you comment down below what your favorite gadget / product, whichever was your favorite, comment that below and use the hashtag weird, because with the hashtag weird is how we're gonna find you in the comment section, and you're automatically entered into the giveaway. We'll contact you and we'll send you these weird phone accessories. How weird can you get with phone stuff, you know? Some of them are useless, some of them are pretty cool, and some of them are just plain weird. Some of the stuff online was so weird where you couldn't really get your hands on it. I don't know. First of all, there's a lot of things that you find on Google and then you try to like actually buy it, and it's just, you can't. I don't know. There's this one product that I think it's a prototype right now, and I'm trying really hard as we speak to get my hands on it. It was one of those things that I was like, yo, this could be a whole video within itself, but I got what I got and I'm excited for you to see it. Let's get straight into it. First up is this pack of 4 or 5, actually. I think it's 5, yeah. These are headphone wrap, like a case, headphone wrap case. Why it's weird, you ask? I'm already lazy at putting them away, and then this is another inconvenience in my life. They're not necessarily weird, they're just so unnecessary. Oh my god, if I had the case that wouldn't be tangled, and I would be sitting here for 5 minutes untangling them. So maybe I do need this in my life. Dang, this reminds me of like those hair curling thingies. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. See, this is why I don't like this stuff. I'm confused. Oh snap. Wait, I actually like this because I don't think I have ever kept some headphones for over a month. Like, this is something I would buy to try to be organized, and I know I wouldn't use it. I know I would use it like the first day I buy it, and then I'm over it. Hello? On the weird scale, I would say this is like a 2 because it's not really weird, it's just eh. Next up we got, it is a phone case. This was the phone case, right? So this is just a phone case with a stylus. Okay, this is not like any other phone case. And once you put it on, you can't do anything. You can't click any buttons, so. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wait, it's supposed to look like a freaking teddy bear ripped open. It's a weird combo, but it goes perfect together. His legs waddle. Is that what it will wiggle? He has a tail. I mean, wow, it's so comfortable though. I love this. The other ones that you usually see, the teddy bear phone cases, are usually like a big old freaking head. It's like all bulky. It's like silicone. It has like a grip, but in like a weird way that your hands are like placed over here behind its ear, and then it's like really complicated. This is actually super plush. I don't mind it, but you know when you gotta put your phone in your bag or you gotta throw it in your pocket? What? This is not gonna make it in my pocket. His name is, he looks like a poncho. See, that one is not weird at all. I love it. Next up is this handset. Okay, let's be real. Kids watching, comment down below. Can you actually recognize this? I feel like everybody knows what this is though. But I'm curious if kids know because it's been a minute. Dude, it's crazy how time flies. 2010 was 9 years ago. I'm mad because I feel like I never cherished the year enough. We need the adapter because iPhone is too good now for a regular headphone jack, and I never have a problem with it until I need it, like times like this. This is so confusing. Wait, can I talk to myself? Hey girl, hi. Oh my gosh, this is so convenient when you're on your phone and you're also on your phone. You're on Instagram or like tweeting, but you're also on the phone like on a meeting. Yeah, hi, can I get, oh sorry, yeah, can I get a large pepperoni? Yeah, the biggest one you have. And I'm still on Instagram. Boom. I really thought I did something by buying this. I was like, oh my god, I could finally be on the phone while also on Instagram. You could do that with regular headphones. I'm stupid. But I just thought it was cute, okay? I just thought it was really cute. What if you're just in the mood to be a little vintage? I love how this is considered old now. Let's actually try it out.
Hello?
Hi. It's a mood. It's a whole mood. That's what it is about this, and I love it. Next up, we got, ooh, this next one is actually really cool. A lot of these are more cool than weird. I don't know why the internet thinks they're weird. I think they're a little weird, but they're iconic. So this actually is a camera accessories for your phone. This is lenses, basically, right? Yo, these are legit. This is $25, guys. It comes with a freaking tripod. I don't know how the heck to do this, but we're gonna try to put something together here. Oh, snap. Wait. Do you put this on your phone? Oh, shoot. I think this must work good, dude. I could see the apartments across the street.
No, weren't it?
This is without the lens. Even using your phone to zoom in will not zoom in as far as this one does because this goes in 18 times. This is the telephoto lens. We're in focus. Let's try over here. And we're in focus. I can't believe they make these. You can legit set up a whole YouTube account on your freaking phone for 25 bucks. Now the fisheye one. This is so freaking cool. The fact that you could just pop these onto your phone and you just clip it on. It's just amazing. And without the fisheye lens, whack, and way too freaking close up. This one is the CPL lens, I believe. And it's basically for glares, which is so freaking cool. You just move it and it removes glares. It's like you're taking a picture through a window, for example, and you don't want the glare of the window in there. This is actually perfect. Okay, so this has a really bad reflection and then you move it. And then it fixes it for the most part. So it darkens up skies. It's the same thing as a polarized lens. All of these lenses so far are coming in handy. And I'm so excited to up my pictures on Instagram. What the heck? This is iconic. For 25 freaking dollars, this is the best thing ever. I think this is a wide lens, which I love. Let me put it on the front facing camera. Whoa, front facing camera is the biggest difference. Oh my god, you can use this while you're live and stuff on Instagram. You could use this anytime because you just clip it onto your freaking phone. This is with it and this is without it. So this is the wide lens. This is amazing, y'all. I'm telling you, I literally can just vlog with this. This is the kaleidoscope. How do you pronounce that? Kaleidoscope. I'm an idiot. There's a Slimer that has a slime named after this, and I never knew how to pronounce it. This is good for some kind of YouTube video where you need to use effects or something. More video than picture for sure for me. This is really cool only for certain things. Like this is just weird right now. I'm creeping myself out. These two fit together. So there is the macro times 15 and that is this one. So they're screwed together, the two lenses. This is the one I showed you that was a wide lens. So that was wide. Oh my god. I could see my ring so perfectly. Yo, I could see the slime on this ring. We have some slime and I freaking love this one. This is my man's slime squishy bunny. Link down below. Okay, you gotta get like this close, but the beads look so fat and so good. Ooh, you can see little tiny bubbles. Oh, this looks beautiful. I love this lens. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me get a really close up on my eye. It's so close. Wow. And that's all of them, right? How many lenses is that in total? Like 5? $5 a freaking lens. Like, what the heck? This is amazing. This is all you need for all those lenses. What? This is not sponsored by this brand. I'm serious. Speaking of that YouTube studio setup, we have a flashlight, which is basically a ring light, but it's very small. And you clip this onto your phone. This is a charger. I used to have a ring light for my phone that was much bigger, bulkier. I think eventually it would just die on you, and this is really convenient because you can actually charge it. What the heck? Amazing. Second of all, hold up. I think this is a 2-in-1. This side is a mirror. This is bright. And then you can switch colors. You can change colors. Wait a minute. This is really cool. I like that it's not just one. I like that it's not just the one white light, that there's different ones depending on what tone you want. I'm so shook right now. And then right now it's daylight, so I'm sure at nighttime this is so useful. And I'm so excited that it's just so little and convenient, you know? So this is no light. This is in the dark, by the way. Oh, snap. Like, if it was pitch black in here, I could take a picture. I feel like something's off. But the good thing is that you can switch the colors depending on what lighting you're in. Okay, like that's really red. Oh, snap. Okay, this one's green. But for some reason, this suits the lighting I'm in right now. They're lighting temperatures. This one is another green. This is blue, darker blue. This is pink. And back to regular. It makes the biggest difference. This is my new favorite thing ever. Next up is one of my favorite ones. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm so excited. It's called a party animal. And they have different animals that are dancing. It's basically a speaker that dances. A dancing bunny speaker is basically what this is. And the reason I chose a bunny is because my man is Squishy Bunny, and I was like, oh, that reminds me of Raul, so I had to get the bunny. Oh, this is to hook up your speaker. So on the bottom of the foot, on the backside, you hook up your speaker, and it dances. So I want to see what this does. This is iconic. I feel like he makes more noise dancing. I guess he's cool to put on a little show and stuff, but he's not that loud. Last but definitely not least, I'm really excited about this one. It's definitely the weirdest out of these. So this is the original TV hat, as seen on TV. Let me know if you guys want to see as seen on TV things. Let me just show you. This is so freaking weird. It's kind of like, it looks weird and you can't really take it serious, but it's actually pretty cool. So this attaches on the inside to magnify the screen. Oh, I would actually use this. This is the interior of it. We got the hat, which looks like a freaking joke when you just look at it straight off the bat. You're like, what the heck? And then the inside is this, and I'm assuming your phone goes right here, something like that. Hold on, I have to make it fit. And we made it fit. Okay, so then you have, so I have my phone in there. So this is how it would be. But then you have to put something else on it. And I forgot, I did my hair different today. And this is the magnifying glass. You just snap it right in. And then you can even adjust how close you want it. Yeah, it's really heavy. Yeah, I feel like I have to support it with my hand. Maybe it's the way my hair is done, so I'm trying not to give up on this. Let me see what this would look like, because the magnifying glass is not magnifying much. Yeah, there's no way the magnifying, it just cuts off the screen. It cuts off half of the screen because it's really small compared to the phone. Without the magnifying glass, I mean, I would totally do this if I was watching a show in bed on Netflix or something. My favorite one, hands down, is the lenses for your phone. Ooh, the freaking light, actually, the ring light for your phone, that was pretty bright. That one is gonna be a favorite. Don't forget, I'm gonna give 3 of these away. And if you want to enter this, really last minute giveaway. Then just comment your favorite one and use the hashtag weird so that we can find you. A week from today, I will contact the winners. So good luck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if I should find some really weird as seen on TV products and do a video on that. I don't know. Comment down below any of your video suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.